I'm getting ready to bring you guys up to speed on how the shop's coming along. I've got a walk around of the truck that's getting moved in. We've got the shop cleaned up enough. It doesn't have all the equipment in it yet, and I still don't have electricity, so we're operating off of a generator. In the meantime, we're going ahead and bring our first car in. It's the 1970 C20. It's going to be gutted most of next week and getting to start ready for prep for paint. And basically it's getting all new everything that's available for it. And the whole frame, everything's getting stripped. This is a full frame off, and the motor, everything's going to get broke down, so it'll be a complete rebuild from beginning to end. The shop won't quite be ready for cars to be built in, but we're going to go ahead and try and swing one out because I've already got some inventory built up that needs to start getting restored.
Loud thunder, heavy rain, thin line between joy and pain. It's a long, strange trip, it's all insane. You ain't never gonna be the same. Living life through the night, thin line of a lightning strike. Sometimes the only light when the moon is tucked away. Pistons pumping, minds are racing. It's hard to sleep, man, when I'm shaking. Bad news surrounds me. It's always found me creeping up when things are good. Yeah, the dark days find a way. Loud thunder, heavy rain, thin line between joy and pain. It's a long, strange trip, it's all insane. You ain't never gonna be the same. Living life through the night, thin line of a lightning strike. It's sometimes the only light when the moon is tucked away. The camera captures all the things that make us turn from what we see. It's always rolling, it don't stop rolling. I haven't slept in 3 damn days. Yeah, but who needs that anyway? Loud thunder, heavy rain, thin line between joy and pain. It's a long, strange trip, it's all insane. You ain't never gonna be the same. Living life through the night, thin line of a lightning strike. It's sometimes the only light when the moon is tucked away.